how to unmute notes from someone on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you go to the messages section of Instagram and you're not seeing someone's notes there. Most likely this is because you hid them or you currently have them muted. So first I'll tell you how notes work, and then I will show you how to unmute them. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So most likely if someone is sharing notes, those notes will only be shared with people they follow and that follow them back. So it has to be both. So if when you open messages, you're not seeing someone's notes there, it could be because you're no longer following them or because they're no longer following you. Now, if you know that you're following each other, then the best thing to do would be to navigate to their profile. And you could do that by going to your profile and then selecting follower. And you could see the people that follow you and then select their profile. Once you get to their profile, select following. And then as you can see under mute, it'll tell you if anything is muted and you can select it. And for me, I have the notes muted on that person, so I can unselect that. So now when I go back to my messages on Instagram, you can see that their note is now showing up and I have unhidden their notes. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.